On scene. 121, commercial structural fire, possibly. Look at that.
It's terrible.
It's crazy.
Hopefully it's not.
Oh, I'm recording, brother. There's a helicopter.
A propane tank exploded in a garage in a house.
Oh.
On fire.
Jeez.
On navigation.
Guys, you heard her. Wow. It's a helicopter.
Yeah, my friend lives right next door. She was scared. Her house was on fire too. Yeah. It's sad, isn't it? We heard an explosion.
Dennis, I thought that was on my game. I thought that was on my game. I heard an explosion.
Yeah, she has two big dogs and she wants me to get them out of her. I mean, they're out of the house. I'm going to put them in my yard. Oh, okay, I look for it.
Yeah, Dennis, I thought that was on my game. I heard an explosion. It was like... I hear Beaver. Rochester Rapid Intervention is going to be arriving shortly, or they're already on scene. Look at that. Wow, we're like the first ones here. Look at this. Thousands of people.
Oh my God.
Rochester is on scene. Beaver is going to be arriving. Look at that. I hear Beaver Fire Department arriving right now. We're going to need their ladder for rapid intervention. Here's the ladder. No, that's Rochester. Beaver, or Rochester Rapid Intervention, on scene right now. Rapid intervention arriving. Squad 101 is here. Yeah, they're spraying on the gas station right now. They have a chopper circling right now. Fire on scene. Rapid intervention. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Well, I'll keep you updated.